Hi folks, welcome to our fourth week of Sociology 101, Introduction to Sociology. I just want to have this short video for to tell you about your assignments for this week. So we have 4 things going on this week. First of all, there's a discussion board, there is a response journal, there's a lecture, this lecture right now, and a lecture quiz, which you should have open. And if you don't, why don't you pause your video and then get your lecture quiz and come back. And then this week, most importantly, we have our midterm exam. So the midterm opens Thursday, April 19th at 12 noon, and it closes on Saturday, April 21st at 11:59 p.m. Pacific Time. You will have 60 minutes to complete your exam, and you can choose any time to begin your exam in that, it's over like 60-hour period. You can choose any time you want to begin your exam, but once you begin, you will have 60 minutes to complete the exam. The exam must be completed all in one sitting. You cannot leave the exam page, or Canvas will turn your exam in for you. There are absolutely no makeups on your exam. So be sure to get it in no later than Saturday, April 21st at 11:59 p.m. Let's see. So to study for your midterm exam, you can use the study guide, which has been posted since the first day of class. Use the lectures, which are posted under each week or in Canvas under files, I believe. Where are they posted? Maybe they're posted under pages, but they're definitely posted under the modules. Also, you will need to have kept up on your readings to complete this exam successfully, as there are questions on the exam which I haven't covered in the lectures. And also, any videos besides the lectures which are posted can be used for the exam, although I don't believe there are any questions specifically on videos in this exam. All right, so we did cover our first question on the lecture quiz, and that is on the midterm exam. When is it open? It opens on Thursday, April 19th at 12 noon and closes Saturday, April 21st at 11:59 p.m. Okay, stay tuned for our next video.